The Ghana Immigration Service has arrested another group of about 50 Nigerian nationals. Abusia Hayala Media Ghana and Chaye and Igbo King Bihun Sen, sorry, wa Ghana ha YouTube for ya dia tuma. Say a binary channel to in because aha yempe Igbo King biya ha. Woye hokwa yo hokwo uduma ha hokwo mekaso ye ohene na obesi wo chese ya ntwe amano mamu nim ne ekoye na enra an operation bi course all McCarthy Hills Ghana Immigration Service o mabo adwuma no apa emfa ho nsem na emra o de letter bi aba abonten na yenkan mu kakra. The Ghana Immigration Service GIS has arrested another group of about 50 Nigerian nationals, including a landlord, during a dawn operation at McCarthy Hills in South Municipality over alleged involvement in cybercrime and human trafficking. The operation took place on Thursday, July 24, 2025, following intelligence report that some foreign nationals were unlawfully residing in the area and may have been trafficked into the country and forced into online fraud. The operation follows intelligence gathered on the illegal stay of some foreign nationals in the area, some of whom were trafficked into the country and forced into cyber fraud by their facilitators, said Assistant Commissioner of Immigration, Mr. Amwakwata, Head of Public Affairs at the GIS. The raid, carried out in coordination with another national security agencies, resulted in the arrest of dozens of individuals and the landlord of the property believed to have been used for alleged activities. Mr. Amwakwata said further investigations are ongoing and the suspects are being screened. An update would be shared as the situation develops. The McCarthy Hills operation followed recent arrests involving cybercrime and trafficking network operating in residential communities in Accra. In April 2025, a joint team from the Economic and Organized Crime Office, (YOCO), the Ghana Police Service, and other security agencies arrested 219 foreign nationals, including minors, during a raid at Oyarifa in the East Municipality. That operation uncovered a large-scale cyber fraud and trafficking syndicate. Note, if you know any Nigerian or any other foreign national that you suspect to be involved in cyber fraud activities, report him to the police or to the immigration. We should be good citizens, not spectators. Let all join hands to make Ghana safe for everyone. We're simple and short. As a monkey, the tintin and say, Enra operation be course our McCarthy Hills. Area be a near suspect to say, call for it horror and yet do my pan no more yet. Operation the course on I say Nigeria for Makumako Edionum. That's the tree near Dionum, but for no 50. And I actually they are into cyber crimes and human trafficking near Tonko for. Omo to be kopo bi e free omo mu krom ba say e shop aduma no be we ba na etutu bra eno mo bo ho na enyo mo gwan na echi o me sanso achi landlord o ho no if he say omo susu say landlord no na di fie ho no ma omo a wonim ne omo ye say na omo ntonto fraud no mo ye yes human trafficking wa ya we no dia mo register omo sika nti landlord no ya chi na ka ho landlord ya chi na ka ho na ye eye pa say eye immigration service for no omanya sa ho for no kwachum no chi landlord no if you say yen Ghana for no Nigeria no fi promo free ni krom Nigeria ba no amfa dan ama yen Ghana for no ye de dan mo de boss atutu bra no obekọ no obi dan a wasi ni kama obekọ no na ye akohwibra na ye koso ho no fraud ye hyedem ni ye bunko for faso enkofo we ba ye o ma be say youth ni bi emene Ghana ni nim sa anya ma na youth ni bi I get their self involved ani jai kra edin amo maimu sesei wo nam ho no ma wanhwe ye ibi betwe sika sisi a wadwuma wasan wani mfifira ye so many years no obi di just a minute ayi ni nyina akọ na wo ho hyehye wo ntiere ya che wo mu na ye kama se ya che no don de to nipa nyina na se Ghana fo nyina nim se so hu foreign national bi nya Nigeria ni nkwa amo maka China fo ni India fo no mo wa hanom nya na yadwuma pa nti obi o area bi na suspect se nipa we won sheda nya adwuma bi wonam area na suspect na ma police service and I say Ghana Immigration Service o ma sonte no me investigation na say I was say doa na ya moa no na ko di office no yakototo na no se bubo na pabam e de me ko di krum tani mra no atumi nnadi so woye foreigner na wo man yi mu a waba o man yi mu no wo so wodi di mra man ne mra na tie wodi ye adwuma so woye ne saade a cause ni o ma wo Ghana nye Nigeria fo wo Ghana nya na ye se adwuma no ebi ba o ye business ankasa business no ye clean and genuine business eboa mo economy no onzo contribute to the economy so be adwuma bo economy ni ya fine na mo be adwuma de o hawo ne abenedie be bre Ghana fo dia ene yen so ye ntwema wo yes inti wele nsem a Ghana Immigration Service for ede ababa tudwa inti yenhwe ye hu ye wo saa ne ma no hu so obi ade bi a hyeda ne ya nisrawa bomadian report na ne yenye spectators ni mo mi good citizens fast forward no yanko yanim Kevin Taylor ni nsem ko piem wo Supreme Court wone judge o chere daako yes omo nsem no Paul wa chere daako yeah that's the name Paul wa chere daako omo nsem ko piem wo ka okodi asem bia asem no ye die nya ninnie ya Kevin Taylor dada beto atense say video ni mayama ko private videos ni mayewo mayama wode na no kotum bia ye content chi na onzu raise arrest warrant the man say adode na besi Ghana bia ye nchi na eja wode ko pio Supreme Court Supreme Court judges court na say judges enum no emu nan abo asem na to agu ba ko pe ene ye say ye ni asem na nso 4 against 1 emfa ema wonya no ho edidi ya okoye no ena lawyer Maurice Ampaw dinani ko piem ewo Angel na on phone calls ena odi sa nkomo yi wasa ade a judges na ye no enye enzasa nkomo ye sa ade no if you say asem e wo quarter ye die ye nyinwie no woni ho kwan so odu arukotum wodu arukotum na kekasa no wanka say ya eye contempt achew indi wasenga Kevin Taylor ye twena so senka enese bi di asem na na se bi di asem na tia no at least enka wase ye mana so twie bi na eye enka dum da ho manchiri nyina na obi a wo social media na so a wode na no tototo nsem wo court no nzo ahwe no hu ye se na Kevin Taylor kwa na ye ni say na me ye so mi mu ade ne de be na nso ye kodu ye no ya bon nsem na to agu ye nkotie mra no wodi ni nkomo na emre sisi a
my evidence ni hu say that can na so ho but even say na so ni wa oni so go court mundi because papa no onya jet keke but represent the judiciary until because of their why you no come 2 weeks and I find you $100,000 me no da me come eboa sure but where there be come fast so at the dey wedi but come fast say the issue warrant dey wrong it onko Jesus Christ
justice cheba for bibia emrem no bibia obetimi ayesisi
oni bi semen hwe na bomdu odi awrewo semen wa mintu binya hwe me unsa ro oni ma ro medi me am micro yi mama me am micro am ni madwuma no na oni ade we si wo court oni say police defending near police ni so they need defending near so they need who what say police for you there na ko say they are doing internal investigation be boa police here they also now we have referred them to people so they need the police when you didn't commercial me boa me one who so much so me hwemu later no nte hwe no me kodo no me ko twoma so even parliament when say parliament we defend them parliament be don say you dey ko privilege be boa na parliament akọ trans na say patrol every institution bia but apart from that judiciary no omo ya mo number 1 atafo mo hwe de waya tokodu omo ya yetin judges association tokodu nyam okomunia no judges association ya yetin angel omo nkasa jusac judicial service association omo nyam yedin enti ene hina de be defend judge na oni omo mo bo because to the idea omo no suffer seriously because oni ye kum tre na ye kum tre no mu hwa nyansa wo mu se he ye survival is about ye protect ye hono ho ne to other judges na ye kum wo mu no mumma mnyenye Ghana buvufu e ma mu take law into the whole hands and that's ahwe me hu bi da me hu court ye di asema je dwane da wo kai wo say in some court ye di obi kukum o di moto ko bo obi e na je ajire ko ye na adwen se wo ma the bill unim say probably you have to good judge so o prefer window mu okay say case no yeah who is the judge or your classmate
okay
the classmate we say the friend was saying this I think I know now who ba sabi I'm a classmate. What did I say? Judge, I'm a classmate. See, or say lawyer me Johnny because the people's power. Now wouldn't be. Munka judge say under Article 125 no. Justice is the property of the people. No. Or see, justice is mandate from the people, and it shall be administered in the name of the people by the judiciary. Until the judiciaries are trustees of our justice, meaning we are jaja undi who share say yeni to me yedi can say mama it is our can who did some phone ebe ka so did some phone there is no mudi asem ni no did some phone they were not being fair to their own colleagues. They didn't defend their own colleagues. They have exposed the judiciary to public hatred, ridicule, and contempt. They should bow their heads in shame. We'll tell them the truth and admit them a train.
Minister,
good. Anything know how the whole thing is orchestrated. He is aware. There is who defend the country. Na obi a watumbra by your country. So also if you don't care, and then what is the coordination? It is never secret coordinating. It is even a bisawa. Don't you even have the humility to tell Ghanaians say, oh, you will find out from the other institutions, but they are aware because Obi Ghana Airport there will not be any security check in Ghana Airport. All the security agencies are represented. They are represented at the airport. Until you also have your police for your BNI for your immigration for your customs for fire service for every security institution is represented there. So Kevin Taylor should have been arrested in police custody before Obeka say he has a case at the Supreme Court. No, then it means that court in Yawinti police will come to me now be and so court 29 but the Kevin Taylor appear before Bafo Boni. Hey, we find say judge no issue warrant no.
I che Bafo.
You because all the Washington no need to be called the realm. No. And to file application now, then you able to make a judge and say, oh, my lord, what you show me, but my file application be was Supreme Court, what they say, and to stay proceedings, what they say, as some person make a wahano, my court may challenge was Supreme Court.
I will say, what's not to us, like I say, Senka, almost and shed then dinner same near crack, at least, I was say, and KS and not seminal, ye bid be a 1 week later, Nanky didn't call remand, Nanko them 1 week, when you see an answer. Send your baby a bit bunny. Send next time on what Nas Wakasa, a summer and fan hono, over especially a ya summer walk water no, on Fanano Congo to Lenzo Kodu hono, or may a year judge no, or Munia Jejo, or may Nama, Emene, Kevin Taylor, Enyanity, Eddie.
What him say? Say we a judge. Nasa be what Unia judge. Obi did not tell me good moving. You didn't even put yourself in the shoes of the man. Now, when he said, no man, no, Kebitele will be a Octa Butchie, and then there's no judge or city on the matter who doesn't know what Kebitele stands for. Was social media all the days, almost shake Kebitele at the media, and at least an opportunity to shake Kebitele, even from a Jana, Minia, a Sanka case, no, say, only. Oh my, and I can say, Kevin Taylor, who case a day. Even apart from case, somebody case to turn my advice. From my yes, I come back and say, okay, Kevin Taylor, Mrakurasu dear, technically no, Yachimo. But what by any man? Ye Supreme Court judges. Ye need formal charge be but ye feel say, Ubi be woha, a ye questionable, and so judges at the debois. Now, at least near to buy ye no, any ukai so far. Yeah. You see how they dealt with people who externalize the court. Man, to me, I should be telling him, I can say, hey, my friend Kratchell, what about Butia? What about Ghana? What about Ghana? Who prefer you need extra form? Until the oh yeah, no, a contempt, until so we are rougher, you may deal with you, but go and be at least we shake it, Mupe Krapa, Moon can't say, what application, no, yet by your ruling in 1 week time. No more remand, no. Now make out just here. More remand no. Because the ruling is for 1 week. Until your uncle remand 1 week. No more banner free no. At least a best any signal. A man for say, hey, unim na judge. And yes, she and not judge. I hear the big crowd from Rakwanso. But I'm going to social media. And the best signal. Mama will say, hey, can you tell a pokrana? Obi any say, or your mama darling boy, or Kasama NDC Pona Bratin ni ain't many high. Now wait here. Yabone uba ifi airport no state arrest the man no safe protection and that court judges no so no who no pana Kevin Taylor yani hina ano we rofa obewie na mako na quickly no na yako jano say when someone is not able to uncle no reprimanding ya reprimanding no in fact even say munka judges no say in Ghana law no judge you don't only apply law you apply common sense and if you answer munka judges no me sana nine no class no apart from judge ba akona ono use common sense no other four judges in no at least it is an opportunity as so people with him man at times and your law pen you can't justice you can't aputu I think I fear some quite in fear nima I fear somebody quite okay to me just some to ne ya tufu meboa etina ka assembly ba minim no anka mo hwa assembly no makase kemitela ukra no uni ya social media no ye mo nkyerɛ if you be saying no if you say sa bench on that dey go to so no so ye wade yi anka no make dem say kemitela nyame bi wa so dem bi a wo yi na di wo we say media no enye sa na tete at least wo obi wa sema either call report to the police station and now for no court but when we use media no anything good people speak and can court judge bi at na ho asa na ye ti we say no say who continue ho na kan yen sema ada haye but when the judges no je ba for the enemy har only they say atemdidie na mo ye de ba mo so a na wonim
well busia said yet ye no say wa what be dear judges ye you hear ye by seriously dear Ghana for can say aye judges amo kwatena ase kobo asem no tugu ye no aye den pa o man ne mraben constitution ni hefa enom di gina so a mo de bo asem no tugu ye say na Ghana for say mo na meyu mo na metro mu constitution no article mu gina so e de bo asem no tugu yi if is asem ne de na wa say Kevin Taylor na emran ni di but mankwatno katasumu mu aso na we yese opeso o man ne kwanenim we person o man ne kwanenim enti obi akoye bi na wanya ne hwe no enti obi koye the same thing na obechina twena so ana the Ghana for some misa no obechina twena so His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ba was resetting the resetting nenie so obi ya ade enye wabua famra so de mrahye ne nsem ya ade ense se enye wose twena so no na makwatena se den ye dimamo se den ye dimamo obi anim ne mokwaje ye ana nsem ye kato mutirima na ye kato masum makwatena se ensem no ye montu we doesn't hold water but wa wunim mo ngasa mo de mo ho hwe oni pari shoes mu mo ni pa amane ne aduma no mo de no ho hwe ni shoes mu say how see filifa ena mkobo ni nsem ni tugu ye no like seriously Ghana for say nkanche mo say lawyers for 9 say ma anya de say mo nchechire mu bia mo famre Ghana for ni yetie mo constitution be bia mo di gina ebo asem ni tugu ni article mo gina so de bo asem ni tugu ye no eno na Ghana for ebisa mo Ghana for hia nchechire mu asem we ho aha ya ala media Ghana na mu wadwe ntre o comment section ho Joe Muja Kevin Taylor no eye like we okay wani je ho say ye jana sa so won kokwa wa bra ya ntwe so ya anya ne hwe abenam Ghana ha free okoto so san keka ne nsem ni wodi mpanimfo atem mpanimfo bi a ahemfo no oh like seriously